One guardians, one brotherhood. Certificate of application is hereby awarded to Adira Das Lemery Chapter, Lemery Iloilo. In a grateful recognition and sincere appreciation, it is her invaluable presence during our Filipinas One Guardians Rally Incorporated launching and a community kids place launching, wherein your advocacy and legacy is highly appreciated at Antonio's Farm, Barangay Inapoy, Tabangkalan City on February 11, 2024, Sunday 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Given this 11th day of February in the year of our Lord 2024, signed Daniel F. Arandinoy, S. Antonio, Regional Chairman, Founders Group 66.
Siya po ang founder ng nagsusolve sa kanilang